Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a pricing model with Adobe, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Create a new document by selecting File and then New. Set the desired dimensions for your pricing model layout. Choose the appropriate units for your measurements, like inches or pixels. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Use the rectangle tool to draw the shape of your pricing boxes. Adjust the size and position of each box as needed. From the toolbar, select the text tool. Click inside each rectangle to add pricing information. Type out the price, features, and any additional details you want to include. Choose a suitable font and size for your text to ensure readability. Change the font color and box color to create a visually appealing contrast. Use the Align panel to evenly distribute the pricing boxes. Duplicate boxes if you want to create multiple pricing tiers. Add icons or images to enhance visual appeal, using File and Place. Adjust the position of icons to align with text properly. Incorporate a call to action, such as sign up or purchase now. Select all elements and group them for easier management. Use the Layers panel to organize elements hierarchically. Save your document regularly to avoid losing any work. Export the final pricing model by selecting File and then Export. Choose the desired format, such as PNG or PDF. Name your file and select a save location. Click Export and adjust any settings as required. Finally, review the exported file to ensure everything appears correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.